Hey guys, and welcome back to another bullet journal video. You guys know I like to keep these intros short, so if you like videos like this, be sure to give me a thumbs up and support this channel. If you're not subscribed, you can easily do that below. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump in. So before we jump into the July spread, which I am so excited about, we are going to look back on June and see what worked and what didn't work for me. So one thing I loved about June is that I was extremely focused. Taking that social media cleanse and just kind of getting back to my passion and my roots really helped me out this month. And before we jump in, I just want to give a shout out to our video sponsor, Skillshare, and I'll be covering more details about this partnership with you guys later on. Now for June, you guys know we went with the B theme. The monthly calendar went pretty well because I had a lot of events. The monthly tracker was still an essential for me. I just need to do better about keeping up with those habits. And my lists and notes were really useful this month. You guys can see I ended up using both pages. First weekly spread went well. I had a lot of to do and to buy lists, so it ended up being useful. This week was okay. And then this weekly spread was probably my favorite, even though it was the most simple. And then here was the last weekly spread, which I actually ended up covering in a video. You guys can check it out by clicking the tab in the top right. But I had a lot of fun doing in the unscripted version for you guys and showing you how I go through a weekly spread. Here we are in July. I am so excited to jump in, but first, let's cover our tools. I am using my mod liner in this really pretty blue color. I'll be using my Pilot G2, my Staedtler fine liner in black, my Muji, and then my Tombow brush pen, which I'll also have listed down below. And that's it, you guys. So I really hope you enjoyed this spread as much as I did, and this is where the time lapse begins. All right, guys, so welcome to July. We're finally here. July has been great for me so far. I just found out that my niece was born 2 days ago, so I am so happy about that. And of course, I've just been really focused and motivated these last few weeks, so July is looking really positive right now. And also, you guys will have to excuse my headscarf in the video. I didn't realize it was poking out that much, so you'll have to just ignore it, and hopefully it's not too much in the way. So for July, I decided to go with a film and photography theme. I don't know why I've never done this, seeing that it is my passion, it's what I'm really into, but I loved how the draft turned out, and so I know the final product is going to be amazing. Here on the left, I have a quote from a throwback, late 90s, early 2000s song by Filter called Take a Picture. I'll play a quick sample for you guys. And it was one of my favorite throwback songs, so I figured why not pay it homage. So before we jump any deeper into this monthly spread, I wanted to give another shout out to this video sponsor, Skillshare. If you guys have not heard of Skillshare before, it's an online learning community that offers over 17,000 classes in anything you can think of, from fashion merchandising to illustration, photo, and even film, which you guys know that I'm extremely passionate about. Another thing that I love about Skillshare is that if you're someone like me who is really into your craft and what you do, you can take advantage of the premium membership, membership, which gives you unlimited access to high quality classes that can really make you a pro in your field. A lot of you guys are curious if Skillshare is affordable, and it definitely is. At $10 a month, you have access to this platform where you can learn about anything and everything at your leisure. So for this video, Skillshare is partnering with me to give a 2-month free trial to the first 500 people that sign up. That link will be below, so go ahead and click there, and then also come back and let me know what you decided to learn, like what you're interested in and what you found useful on the platform. I would love to know. Now, as always, I want you guys to be able to enjoy the time lapse and the soundtrack. So here is where I will be quiet, and I really hope you guys enjoy. Okay, so here is my July monthly spread, and guys, I am so in love with it. It is definitely my favorite spread that I've probably done to date in this bullet journal. Now, one thing that I love about it is it's still simplistic, but with all the doodles throughout, it kind of brings everything together. If I could do this theme for the next 3 months, I would not mind at all, because you guys know how much I love film. And over here, you guys know I like to keep an open page for my list and notes, and we'll see what that transforms into. Now, one thing about the weekly spread is that I did get a lot of smearing from the Pilot G2, but I told you guys it happens, and I feel like the imperfections just really makes the spread mine. So I really hope you guys enjoyed it. As always, be sure to click the notification bell so you can see when I post new content, and thank you again for all your support. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.